part 9 of the LAZERJET model railway build table project construction build thing. Part 9 has been delayed for quite some time because I needed to get some more cork. Now, the last time I actually made any sort of construction build project video for my table was actually last year in October. So why is this project taking so long, Mr. Oliver? Well, first thing is cost. This is indeed a very expensive project, and frankly, you know, I've been busy paying all my bills off because that's what happens when you have to live alone. And second of all was the cork. Now, I was supposed to buy myself some more layer of cork, but I just never got around to doing it, and plus, you know, cork is quite expensive. So what I've done instead is I've actually got the cork from the first big roll that I got, and what I'm going to do is I'm actually going to be using the remainder, and my plan is, instead of covering the whole table in the cork, I'm only be covering the parts where I'm actually going to be laying the track down with cork. So one, it saves cork, and second of all, the track is the most important bit to make soundproof. Because for those of you who don't know, cork absorbs sound and vibration. So that's why cork's quite important. So if you can see behind me, I've got quite a few rolls that I've cut in half. And what I'm going to do is I'm just going to try and save as much cork as I possibly can, because this is it. This is all I've got left. So this could turn out to be a great success, or this could end up being a massive disaster. Either way, I've got it on camera so you guys can see if I make a mistake. Now, the thickness of the cork needs to cover 4 bits of track, which I've got as a demonstration here. This is what I'm using as a guide to sort of help me understand how much thickness I need for the cork that I'm going to be laying down for the track. So it is quite it's quite wide. I'd say it's about a foot, or maybe 1.5 feet probably. I'm not sure. So I'm going to use this as a guide. So I'm going to pop that down just there, and just get onto it, I suppose, and just feel myself doing it. So wish me luck. Let part 9 of the laying cork down for the model railway project commence. Let us begin. Oh, and before I forget, make sure you click that subscribe button, turn the bell notification on as well so you stay notified to the channel, and also make sure you check out my second channel. Click subscribe to the Mr. Oliver YouTube channel, because, you know, we want to get some subs going, and we want to get people watching my second channel, because that's what people like. They like to see more of me. So subscribe to my second channel. Do it now. Okay, enough advertising. Let's get on to it. First things first is the glue. Where did I put the glue? So, second layer of cork is down. Now I have to admit, it's not the neatest job I've ever done, but I did use this cork as scraps, so you gotta make do of the stuff that you've got. Now some of you are thinking that this is just a homemade bodge job. Yeah, you're probably right. It's not my greatest cork laying skills, although I don't really have any cork laying skills. But yes, there are one or two rough edges, like, you know, here and there, and like, no, there are a little bit of gaps, but I am going to fill the gaps with some PVA. But now that the whole section of the second cork is fully laid and it's quite solid, so the next thing to do is the paint, which I'm looking around the table and I'm going to need a hell of a lot of paint. Got some paint. Now my dad took me up to Wickes to buy these. I've got soft truffle. Yeah, I don't know what that is. And I've also got grey, because I need grey for the ballast. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to whip the paint brushes out and the roly roller thingy, which I was using for the glue, then start painting, I suppose.